Oh wow, it's going to be scary close to where that was. Very small spot. And we will not let it finish. Dad random here. I am getting out for flight number 2. The little drone known as the Potensic Atom. So the Potensic Atom. And what I want to do is do a really good flight test. We had a good day. Its performance should be apparent. We've got a pretty calm day. And there shouldn't be any issues when it comes to, you know, whether it's good or not. I mean, there's absolutely, the lighting is good. We've got clouds, so no excuses is basically what I'm saying. So I'm gonna go ahead, get it started, and I'm not gonna do any of the pre-flight stuff that I did the last time. It's supposed to just fly right now, so we should hook up and we should get going. Remember, put the drone in airplane mode. Okay, that's what you got to do. So, all right, full setup. Putting on the flight sticks. A lot like these are very, very similar to the original Air flight sticks. The way they go on, they're good, robust. Drone's ready to go. We've got to get the phone out. OTG cable, and we're supposed to connect the OTG first, like that. I want to make sure we have our airplane mode active. There's airplane mode. Turn that on. And we're going to put the Potensic app on in just a second. So this goes inside of that little slot. And this goes like that. So there's our antenna. A little bit bright. And there's our USB-C. We've got that turned on. Let's turn on the app. Let's go ahead and turn the drone on. Short press and long press. There's a short press and a long press. And what I'm going to use this time to launch is I'm going to launch using, here, move the camera back. I'm going to launch using the launch button instead of using the sticks. So it says enter the device. The Atom is selected. Everything is blue. Hit enter, and I've got a picture now. So it automatically connected. So we're good there. And yes, I think I need to record the screen this time. It says HD. Let's go screen record. Oops. Let's go like that on there. There's my screen record. There it is, screen record. So we should have a recording, and then we're just going to fly. We're going to do the stuff that any of the automated actions that it can do. Let's see. All right. Okay, so here we go. Let's take off. There's our takeoff button. Swipe right to take off. So much better this time. You can see though, it has the drone proceeds. Let's see, the drone is in the process of, oh, there we go. Okay. That's that. All right. Okay. I have no idea what that was, but it's we got a hover. Let's go. Let's fly it around a little bit in the hover. I'm going to go ahead and hit record. And we're going to fly around and get some footage. Concentrate on our flying. Try to fly smooth. A little bit of wind. Return height is at 98 feet. So I'm going to turn around here and simulate a return the home scenario. There's the pause button. Okay, so we'll push the return to home. Let's make sure that works. We're at 97 feet, so it didn't have to change anything. And it's coming home. And it's coming home fast. All right, we're down. Let's go ahead and bring it down. And we'll bring it at us here. So check square one. That one didn't take very much to figure out. So wow, like I said, I'm not surprised that flying it pretty rough. Flying it very rough right now. Like a kid would fly it. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, let's check some of its auto functions. I don't know if they got the circle me. Let's see, we'll go follow me function. If the flight altitude is less than 5 meters, so let's see if it will push back on a follow me. So I'm going to push back on me, and there it is at 5 meters. Hit that, hit follow me. Let's see if it'll go up a little higher. Let's push back, follow me. See, drone will head back, hit lock guide disposition. So click on the exit. Let's see, the drone head will lock guide the GPS position of the mobile phone to follow it. Okay, so it's locking onto the mobile phone. Which it's doing. So there it is. That's the follow me. That's the follow me function. Follow me is working perfect. Let's go ahead and turn that off. Let's confirm that. Let's go down to circle flight. All right, we'll fly around you. Good. We want it to do that. So it's circling the area that we were setting, so let's move it out. And let's see, circle flight. All right, let's get that on us again. Let's see, let's see if we can do it again here. Let's go to, that's going around in a circle. Here, let me go check the, it actually is quite smooth too. So this is the circle flight location I'm walking into. It's pretty easy. And I've got it set really slow. You can set the speed to a certain miles per hour. So I'm going to walk through that one more time with you guys. Okay, so there it is circling me at that specific set speed. So it does the circle function. It does the follow function. I'm on an iPhone, and some folks were having trouble with that. Pretty good. And I would say that's pretty stable too, from a stability standpoint. You should be able to get, there shouldn't be a light issue, but I've got it turned down to about, to just a couple of miles an hour. Okay, I've got it turned down to just a few, like 2 or 3 miles an hour. You want it slow. If you're going to orbit anything like that, you want it to be like smooth. And for the EIS to work and function, I'll just bring up that, you need to have it slow. I mean, can I move it in now? Let's see if I can move it in and see if it'll still be in the, yeah. So once I moved it, it goes out of that mode. If you go into the menu mode and it goes to, at the very bottom it says circling flight setting. I think you have to set it while you are, let's see, yeah, you have to set it while the drone is not moving. So I think that's it. So I'm getting out of there. So that's a check off the box of things. So let's go ahead and get a photograph here, going the other direction. Let's go right here. And let's get a picture of me from a low altitude, good shot up like that, with that beautiful backdrop. I'm going to take that, turn that off, change that to camera, and then snap a shot. Take right there. Not allowed in current mode. What mode am I in? Flying? I can't take a picture while I'm flying. Let's see if I can go right there. Let's see if I can. Oh, there we go. Well, let's see. Oh, that's taking a video. Is that the? Oh, that's the camera. Let's see. Not allowed in current mode. Let's turn that off. There we go. Now it should have snapped the photo. That should have snapped the photo. Let's go. Keeps taking video. I'll go there. Let's go to Waypoint flight. I turn my Waypoint flight on, and confirmed. Let's get that map really small. Let's see, tap. Okay, got it. Okay, that is my, it's telling me what to do. Okay, I understand. There we go. All right, so I clicked on that button down there. There's one. There's two. Come on. There's two. And then there's three. All right, here we go. Let's slide and see what it does. Got a lot of trust going on here. There it goes. It's going. It's got to keep an eye here. It's almost to that point. And okay, now it's going to go to the next point. It's turning to it. There it goes. And it's flying to that next point. God, I hope it doesn't, it is so fast. And it's almost there. There it is. And now it's coming back. So it basically is following that fence line, and now it's coming back to me. There it is. Here it comes. You never know what you're going to get sometimes with this function. But it's coming nice. It's holding its altitude. And let's fly it home. So there we go. So, all right. So if I had to repeat that like 30 times, it could do it 30 times in exactly the same way. So we've got point to point. Let's see what our battery's like. Yeah, let's turn that off here. Okay, let's go back to, yeah, so now we're back to our regular mode. Let's roll the tape here. So, all right, that's it. So we did circle, pretty easy. We did basically mission, we planned a mission, and it follows you. There you go, does all the stuff it's supposed to do. And it hovers, and it is reliably hovering. And it seems like the longer I've flown it, the smoother it's gotten. Let's see if we can change speed setting to, now it's set for video setting right now. Let's go to normal. Now we're set to normal. So that's normal setting. Oh, yeah, it says low battery. Yeah, so it's smart returning to home. I don't know if that's been 30 minutes. Sure doesn't seem like 30 minutes to me. But that's okay. We're going to let it do what it's going to do. Come in and land. And it should land actually scarily close to where the camera is. So we got to watch this close. So we're going to hit OK. Drone is in the process of landing. And you know where we took off from. Oh wow, it's going to be scary close to where that was. Very small spot. And we will not let it finish. It's because it would have missed the spot and it's very small. All right. There, so I turned off the Potensic Atom and it did what it was supposed to. So I would say check all the boxes. I assumed I charged this battery up 100%. I do not know. So I'm not there. So you can see this one, I know I didn't activate. So I got 3 batteries with this unit. And I know I charged 2 of them and I activated them. Let's get this in there. Let's get this battery in this. There's the second battery. So this one's smunched. Let's see what it says. I'm going to go ahead and I'll be right back.